Is Acorns worth it for micro investing? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about dipping your toes into investing but don't know where to start, you might have heard of Acorns, a micro investing application that turns your spare change into investment dollars. In this video, we'll dive deep into what Acorns does, its pros and cons, pricing, performance, and ultimately answer, is Acorns really worth it to go ahead and use? Now, Acorns is a micro investment or investing and savings application that makes investing effortless. The application rounds up your everyday purchases like your $3.75 coffee to $4 and basically invest the 0.25 cents difference into a diversified portfolio. Acorns is built for passive investors and beginners who want to get started without learning the stock market. Now, basically, Acorns also offers automatic recurring investments, banking with a debit card, retirement accounts or IRAs, custodial accounts for kids, and they also offer found money, now called Acorns Earn, cashbacks when shopping with some partner brands. So let's go ahead and break down the features of Acorns to see if it is really worth it. Now, number one, we have roundups. Your linked debit or credit card triggers roundups. Once your roundup hit $5 total, Acorns invests it automatically. It's like passive investing without thinking about it. Number two, we have some portfolio features. Acorns uses modern portfolio theory to place your money in ETFs managed by companies like Vanguard and BlackRock. You can choose from conservative, moderately conservative, moderate, moderately aggressive, and lastly aggressive. Now, another feature that they have is Acorns Later. Retirement accounts like Roth or traditional IRA, set it and forget it investing for a long-term goal. Now we also have the Acorns Early, custodial accounts for kids. You can go ahead and invest on their behalf. And lastly, for their feature, they have Acorns Checking. It includes a metal debit card, smart deposit features, and zero ATM fees nationwide. From there, let's talk about the pricing of Acorn. We have the personal tier, which is $3 per month. It includes investing, retirement, and checking. Now, for family, which costs you $5 per month, it adds Acorns Early for kids. And lastly, we have the premium tier, which is basically new, which will cost you $9 per month. It includes live Q&A with financial expert, tax saving tools, and estate planning. Compared to free brokerage apps like Robinhood or Public, $3 to $5 per month may seem expensive, especially if you're only investing small amounts. And so, is it really micro investing? Let's say that you invest $25 per month in roundups and recurring deposit. That's $300 per year minus $36 in fees for the $3 per month tier. You're basically giving away $12 of your contribution to fees alone. So Acorns makes the most sense when you're investing at least $1,000 or $2,000 above, where the monthly fee becomes a smaller percentage. And so, who is Acorn best for? Acorn is ideal if you're new to investing and want to automate everything. If you don't want to research about some stocks, if you prefer passive long-term investing, if you want to invest for kids or retirement without lifting a finger. But if you're more hands-on or care about individual stocks, picking, or crypto, Acorns might feel limited. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of Acorns. For pros, it's beginner friendly and passive. Another pro is set it and forget it investing. You have automatic savings through roundups, retirement and custodial options, and for the last pro, you have beautiful interface and great mobile experience. And so, for cons, monthly fees eats into small accounts. You have limited customization, no individual stock picking. So for example, if you want to invest in something like Tesla, Apple, or McDonald's, you cannot go ahead and do so. You have no real-time trading or crypto, and roundups can feel slow if you don't spend often. And so, let's also talk about some alternatives to go ahead and consider if you're more hands-on. Before choosing Acorn, you want to consider Public or Robinhood. It's great for stock picking and no monthly fees. You also have Stash, which is also beginner friendly, offers fractional shares and backing. You have Fidelity, Spire, or SoFi Invest, which have no fees and it has more features. So, to go ahead and answer the questions, is it really worth it? Well, the answer is going to be yes. If you're a total beginner looking for hands-off investing and are okay with a monthly fee. Now, it's not built for day traders or crypto fans, but it's an excellent gateway into the world of investing. Once again, if you're a total beginner. If you're investing less than $500, try free applications first. But if you're ready to build long-term habits with automation, Acorns might be the right fit for you. Once again, you want to go ahead and consider if you're investing somewhere around $1,000 to $2,000 above. But if you're only investing small amounts, you will go ahead and eat up through fees on your small account. So once again, you want to go ahead and keep that in mind. Now, Acorns have really amazing plans if you're investing or if you have a high portfolio. And so that's it. Hopefully you're ready to go ahead and use Acorns in order to invest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more personal finance tutorials like this. Comment below. Are you using Acorns or are you considering another application? As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next video.